Welcome to our channel. If you want to cancel your Anytime Fitness membership, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Review your membership agreement to understand the cancellation policy specific to your home club. Each Anytime Fitness is independently owned with potentially different policies. Step 2. Check if you're still within any minimum contract commitment period. Many Anytime Fitness clubs have initial contracts ranging from 6 to 12 months. Step 3. Contact your home Anytime Fitness club to inquire about their specific cancellation process and required notice period, typically 30 days. Step 4. Determine the acceptable cancellation methods for your club. Options usually include in-person, certified mail, or sometimes email with proper documentation. Step 5. For in-person cancellation, visit your home club during staffed hours. Bring a valid photo ID to verify your membership and identity. Step 6. Speak with the club manager or staff at the front desk about cancelling your membership. They will provide you with a cancellation form. Step 7. Fill out the cancellation form completely, providing your name, member ID, contact information, and reason for cancelling if required. Step 8. Review the cancellation terms carefully, including when your final billing will occur and when your access to the gym will end. Step 9. Sign and submit the form. Request a signed and dated copy or email confirmation of your cancellation for your records. Step 10. If cancelling by certified mail, send a letter to your club's address with your cancellation request, member ID, and contact information. Request return receipt to confirm delivery. Monitor your bank statements after the cancellation date to ensure no further charges occur. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.